Puppet Configuration Management, Understanding Version Control. In this video, we are going to take a look at how version control helps us to manage Puppet code. So what actually is a version control system, or VCS? A version control system helps us to manage changes in source code. The version control system records the history of the changes to our source code. A version control system also allows us to undo erroneous modifications, so it enables us to go back in history. A version control system allows developers to work on the same source code and helps resolving conflicts when the developers change, for example, the same source code file. We will use Git. It's a distributed version control system, and it's also used to manage the Linux kernel source code. Some VCS vocabulary you're going to need. A repository is a directory where the version control system stores information. It's a collection of commits. So what is a commit? It's the state of the repository at a particular point in time. A branch is an independent line of development. And what is a merge? Merge means merging changes between different branches. This is going to be more clear in the next video where we talk about basic Git usage. What is Git? Git was created by Linus Torvalds in 2005. It's a distributed VCS or DVCS, a distributed version control system. It allows developers to work locally without a shared repository. This is contrary, for example, to Subversion. Subversion always needs a central repository, and you can't do a commit without a central Subversion server available. But Git also supports sharing code via central repository. In Git, changes are committed locally and synced to the central repository on demand. So it's possible to work with Git even if the central repository is not available. And Git also supports easy branching and merging. So what are your possibilities for hosting Git repositories? There's the well-known github.com. It provides public repositories for free. It is a closed source solution, and there's an enterprise on-premise version available. Then there's gitlab.com. It provides public and private repositories for free. It's an open source solution, and there's also an enterprise on-premise version available. Then there's Gitolite. Gitolite is written in Perl. It's written for self-hosting repositories. And there's the newer GIT.io. It's also a solution for self-hosting repositories on-premise, and it also provides nice graphical interface.